Hey, so I told you the pizza finally arrived. Miss Heidi. I'm starting to get dizzy. It's like a merry-go-round, huh? So look, check it out. We got the pizza in play right on the wood. This is what we're sitting here working with right now. Check that out. So this is where we're going to clean all this up, scrape it up. Look at all that pizza over there. Man, just spoiling us on a Sunday. Mountain Dew pizza, don't get no better than this. We had to put them to work. Somebody's got to get something done around here. You know, we're dusty as all get out. All right, so here we are. We're near wrapping up the end of our day. Man, it's been a lot of work. We're tired. Ready to go sleep because all this pizza. It's Mountain Dew. This is what we're sitting here at. Look at that sucker. I mean, that is just ready to go. So, get you flipped around here. Check that out. All the way down. Look at that pretty guy down there at the end. So, we are ready to go. Just so you know, we've already spruced these up, cleaned them up. We're getting ready to drop these pretty guys, right down in this box, and we'll bring you right back up to speed so you can see everything that's going on. Hey, so look, check it out. We're back. Check this guy out. Look at this. Let me bring you down here, show you what's going on. Check that out. We're coming down here to see Heidi and her husband. Hello. Look at
Hello,
them,
guys.
Look at them smiles, man. You don't think they're freaking happy? Look at that. Oh, yeah. We can't wait to put this guy into play. So, look, we're done. We have finished everything. There's the long view. Look at that. So, all these slits over here, we're going to fill these up with resin. They're actually bridged. Right? Well, everything's backwards in the video, you know. There we go. Now I'm pointing correctly. Look at that right there. It's bridged. So it's actually going to flow in, come down here, and tuck itself right in behind. Flow right in there. Then we're actually going to have to jump in this slit and fill that up separately by itself. But this sucker is going to be banging. So we're going to get him in here. We're going to get him set. We'll bring the camera right back, and it's time to do the magic. All right, so here we are. We're back in. This guy's set in place. We've got everything staged. We're going to do the really cool part tomorrow just to make you all just bite your nails. So all good. We're tired for the day. A pizza wore us out. We're ready to take a nap back here on this. So they want us out. It's time to go. We've had enough. We'll come back tomorrow and finish all this up. Tom, I never thought I had to tell a guy this, but get your hand off my wood. We'll see you all back tomorrow to wrap this pretty boy up and continue on.